Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to change hostname on Ubuntu 21.04. Ubuntu 21.04, this is the latest release. This is checking server version 21.04, and now I try to change hostname. This is preserve hostname must be setup is true. If it is setup false, so you cannot change hostname when it setup false. So must be setup is true, and then change hostess file. Not needed this file. Save and exit, and then hostname file. Save and exit, then reboot your server. Yes, now try again. SSH connect, and then see change host name to server. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.